Hi, this is Max Inman, your tax guy. I just wanted to do a welcome video that was quick and easy and went right to the point. Um, the reason why you would use me as opposed to some other tax preparer is that you were probably referred to me. So you already have somebody that has experience with me that can tell you, you know, they've been doing taxes with me for a while and they trust me. So, they'll tell you about how I backed them up every time they had a letter, if they even got one, and that kind of thing. Now, the main reason you would use me specifically is because I'm easily available. I actually answer the phone. How many people answer the phone these days? Anyways, I'm available most of the time. I'm not going to say 24/7. I don't want people. You got to understand, I'm in Central Time, Arkansas. So if you're in Pacific Time, you're 2 hours late. So if you call me at 10, it's 12 my time. So I might be available. I might answer. Anyways, I'm available most of the time. It's safe to use. Safe for you to send me your data via text. If you have RCS turned on your service. I use Google Messenger with RCS turned on, which is a specific kind of a safer format. And then you can use WhatsApp, all the other apps too. I use Gmail, a Gmail account, because it's very safe. It's very secure. Their security service is called, or the service they use is TLS, amongst other things, two-factor authentication, that kind of thing. We can also communicate through a private link if you want. I can send you a link that goes directly to my hard drive, or you can send me a link from your provider to me. I can download your stuff either way. Or, people mail me their stuff as well. So, through the U.S. mail, not a problem. I get it. Comes right to the house here. So it's safe. So I'm available. I'm safe to use. On top of everything else, I have NordVPN, which is a very good security software. I don't want to get all into it. I do that in another video. I have offline backup, so you can't access my backup through the web. You can't access my data through the web. Okay, so you'd have to be here. And I have, locks on the doors. I got cameras everywhere, and I own a gun. So you're not going to be able to get here easily. Okay, and if you do, it's going to be noticed. So your data's safe. I can do any kind of personal return, whether it's a personal with a business, personal with a rental property, or a combination. There's people that have combinations. A lot of retired folks now have a lot of different forms. I can handle all that as well. And also, if you're still in business, which most of my people I work with are still in business, and they use either a Schedule C or they use an 1120, which is an LLC form. I can do the 1120s, the 1065s, which are partners, 1041, which is a trust return. I can do all kinds of business returns that you might need. 990, which is for a charity kind of thing, a nonprofit. My PTIN and my EFIN, which are the two numbers that allow me to do taxes and to send them electronically, are published on every return. And the IRS has all my data. They know who I am. So you can be safe using me. I'm not one of these ghost preparers where they send in every return as if you did it personally. And they're usually send them in on paper. So if you run into a guy who's saving you a ton of money, but that's the way he does his taxes, you better take a look at it, okay? Or let me take a look at it, and I'll show you how it's fun. But if it is, it may not be. But anyways, you want somebody who signs the return, who has an EFIN and a PTIN. And that's basically it, other than I've been doing this for 20 years, and I've seen a lot. I've worked for all the different retail companies, Liberty Tax, Jackson Hewitt, H&R Block, TurboTax, where you work from home. So I don't anymore. I don't like them anymore. But anyways, they're usually available in the off season for a short period of time during the week. So that would be another reason why you'd want to use them. I can get you a copy of your return whenever you want. A lot of people need those for whatever reason, for their kids, for FATFA, I think it's called. And then there's, trying to get a loan. You got to have your past 2 years of tax returns. Anyways, get a hold of me. My number is 503-705-1521. And my Gmail address is basically my name, maxinman, MAXINMAN @gmail. I'm here for you.